Hi Foxes, I'm just going to talk you through question 5 from yesterday's maths, as it was the one that people found the trickiest. So it was £26, take away £19 and, if I got the right one, yeah, £26, take away £19 and 89 pence. And when we lay that out, we write £26, 0 pence, take away £19 and 89 pence. So we start with the little ones. More on the floor, go next door. Okay, so this is a problem because there isn't anything next door. So we start here, we go next door and steal some more, and that would go there. Okay, now I'm going to start my whole problem again. I'm going to go here. More on the floor, go next door and steal some more. So now that's not a problem anymore. That's now a 9 in that column, and now I've got 10 hundredths in this column. So 10 take away 9, I can work that out nicely. 9 take away 8 for the tenths, I can work that out nicely. Make sure you put your decimal down. 5 take away 9, more on the floor, go next door and steal some more. So I would then steal some more and I can carry on with my whole column subtraction. It's tricky because they've got a 0 and you can't borrow from a 0 or steal from a 0. So you have to go to the next neighbour. And remember, you only go one door at a time. So you could steal from this neighbour and then this one can steal from this neighbour. Now, I'm not going to write the answer in here for you because if you found it tricky, I'm going to ask that you have another little go at that and we'll see how you get on. Okay, bye.